thoughts behind the Archi Design Group's Go Green movement. But before I come to green, I would like to talk in brief about Archi Design Awards, because I am also the Secretary General of that awards. India's biggest awards for architecture, interior design and engineering services. Archi Design Award is the biggest platform in the country promoting architecture, design and technology and recognizing the professionals and their work on a global scale. From a humble beginning 5 years ago, Archi Design Awards have come a long way and has emerged as the biggest award in the AEC industry in India. Being run in a very organized, professional and a very transparent manner, Archi Design Awards have been able to fulfill the expectations and aspirations of the professionals and of the built environment. It has reached the height where it's not only a matter of pride, but also a matter of satisfying self-achievement for the contestants and the organizers as well. At this point, I would like to make a special mention of Mr. Sudhir Swaroop, the founder, president, and the force behind the Archi Design Group. Mr. Swaroop has been serving the Indian architecture and construction industry tirelessly for over 2 decades. I, on behalf of the fraternity of professionals of the built environment, thank Mr. Swaroop for the positive contribution in promoting the industry and bringing up issues most relevant to our times. Thank you, Mr. Swaroop. Be it airports, the healthcare facilities, and now green. Yes, friends, green is the key word in our industry today. It is not that it has suddenly arrived from somewhere suddenly. It has suddenly arrived from somewhere. Sustainability in built environment was always appreciated in our country. We have been practicing the concepts of sustainability since ages, and we as architects have been trained to do so. But the scenarios have changed dramatically and drastically, and so have the contexts. Building industry consumes a lot of energy, not only in terms of the material used, but also a lot of energy is consumed regularly by the users throughout. The Archi Design Go Green program shall be a broad-based multi-mode program. It would include an interactive series of seminars, publications, events and activities. It has been planned in such a way that it covers all the aspects of sustainable architecture. The national event will include a number of activities just across the country. Archi Design Idea Competition for students of architecture for designing net zero projects will be organized. The Green Book, a comprehensive book showcasing landmark energy efficient buildings and various energy efficient technologies, will be published. The book will act as a source book for architects, engineers and professionals of the building industry. It will cover all the bylaws, all the rules, all the social activities like what Gaurav mentioned, a green walk. Green walk, the first green walk will be held from the CX7 and from India Gate to the Rashtrapati Bhavan crossing. And we will be organizing such walks across the country so that we are able to involve regular e-newsletter on green architecture. I, on behalf of Archi Design Group, invite you to join the Go Green movement. Thanks a lot. Thank you.